Hello, good night, everyone. My name is Ivonne Maritza Saavedra, and I have come to tell to you about what I think about contamination. As I said in the first test, I think that technology has really helped and in many ways because it makes life easier thanks to communication and other things. I also consider that to achieve all that we had achieved thanks to technology, we had to first destroy many forests and many ecosystems, and had this in the end ends up harming us because to reverse this damage to the planet is very complicated, and also that it's not only our fault of technology but also of the bad management that we have given to it. Do it too, and this I can see that the future of the planet, according to how things are going, due to pollution, will be catastrophe because in the and with out clean and sustainable ecosystems will, which will cause the flora and fauna to die completely and the planet is totally destroyed without an, any, any reversal. And to finish, the last thing I spoke of the forum was about Hatsikul, that say contamination. My opinion about this is that we should do it with the help of everyone, starting with small things to raise awareness and that many more people join this initiative and that after the beginning to campaign with companies and governments that help us promote policies to reduce vehicles for pollution, replying campaigns, and saw that the ONU cannot have either side for planet, but all these must start from ourselves. This is my opinion about the global pollution that our planet suffers and how we could reduce it. I hope it has been to your liking and thank you very much and thank you very much for staying until the end of video. I hope that my bacon, award, and being to chance our planet. Thanks a lot.